Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. A couple of things before we show you the new demo car. We're coming up very close to 10,000 followers, so thank you everyone that follows us. Please make sure you do. At 10,000 followers, we are doing a giveaway for a free suspension kit. More information down below on that video. And also, secondly, our Cars and Coffee isn't this year, it's Cars and Pizza. 2nd of April, coming up pretty quick. Ticket information is down below. On that note, I'm super excited. We should have this car 90% done, ready for the 2nd. Let us know what you think of this. So yes, I'm pretty sure most of you have already guessed it, the brand new M240i xDrive. We still have the 1 Series, we've actually got that till October. Whether we keep it a bit longer or not, it goes back after its lease deal. M4 is staying for a little longer, we've got more things planned on that one coming soon. 2 Series, I'm always in love with the coupe, it's just who I am, I quite like a coupe. The business actually started on my 235i a number of years ago. We had the springs developed by Eibach, and we all know the story of that, 1,000+ springs later on, we're still selling plenty of them. This, fell in love with it, saw it at Goodwood last year. This colour, purple, just pops so well. Normally I'm a bit of I like white cars with black, because of course when you add parts to them, the black just really sort of pops. So if we're adding a black kit to it or black wheels, it really stands out. But this, in its purple, absolutely perfect. Now the spec, purple, gloss black trim, M Plus pack, so it has the slightly deeper arches. You've got to pay that in mind. If you don't have the M Plus pack, they come with the narrower fronts that don't have the colour-coded spats. I think it needs them, just gives the car a bit more of aggression. Basic spec inside, black leather, sunroof, 360 camera, usual bits and bobs. This car is obviously runs the B58 engine. We are going to be trying to get an exhaust to fit. Remus, we're working with them. We think it's 3 Series, 4 Series. I think we're going to have some custom pipes made, because I think this is obviously a bit shorter. Coming in the vlog very soon. Springs on their way, spacers on their way, wheels, we have our new MW3 wheel onto it. Of course, got to get in the detailing bay. So quick bit of B-roll of this car. Let us know what you think. Controversial on this one, different front, people like the front, don't like the back, whatever it is. I really like it, but trust me, when it's finished and we got it lowered on the 20-inch wheels, sounding better and looking better, we'll all love it. Let us know what you think of the xDrive 240i.
I'm going to have to stop Mike there, because I'm not too sure why I'm filming a standard car, so he's popped out, so I think I'm going to go and chuck the 240 on the ramp, and we're going to sort out his stance and make it look a little prettier.
Hi, well, I've just come in this morning and Jay took it into his own hands to crack on with the car. We normally try to release things into a stage, collecting the car. We don't really review them and that sort of stuff. There's better channels out there for that. But we were planning to do a styling upgrade on the video with the M Performance kit. Springs and spacers, obviously stuff we've been working with Eibach behind the scenes, getting things ready, but of course it's already been done. Working on the exhaust. I had to leave the business slightly early yesterday afternoon, and the guys knocked it out of the park. So just quickly on this one, we'll do a complete recap, or not recap, but overhaul of what we're doing so far and the plans to go forward. But so far where we're at, on the Eibach Springs, we took a measurement, it's about a 20mm drop on this. Now this is a prototype kit for it. There's a lot more information coming out very soon with a 12 and 15mm spacer. It's not a huge drop, but oh my God, the difference on it, especially with the 15 rear spacer, perfect. And from what I understand, it drives just the same as what it did. Yet again, Eibach have nailed this out of the park, so it should just drive like my old 440i, which is something I'm quite excited to do, because they're just the perfect daily. M Performance body kit, carbon onto it. We wanted to do something straight away. Maxton, Zero, Auto ID, all those sorts of people will release a kit, but like everything else, when a car is brand new, you have to just wait. So because we work with Eibach, we already had the springs coming to us for development and testing. Same again with Remus. Although the Remus, from what I understand, doesn't line straight up. We are going to have to do some modifications on it. So that's another vlog coming soon. But so far, springs, spacers, full M Performance body kit. Next job will probably be Remus, in for detail, wheels, get the M decals off, get the Motech ones onto it, filters, some other bits and bobs. But yeah, literally blown away by this car. The reactions when I had it standard just parked out the front were great, so I can't wait for people to sort of actually get to see it. Don't forget, it will be on show at our Motech meet 2nd of April. It'd be amazing if you could come across. Let us know so far what you think of the spec and the first modifications on the 240i.